At the park. What are you doing here?
I'm jogging. What about you?
I'm sitting and reading.
Do you come here often?
Yes, I come here every morning.
I come here after work.
Do you live around here?
Yes, I live just a few blocks away.
How far is it from here?
It's about 10 minutes by walking.
Do you like running?
Yes, it's great for my health.
That's true. Maybe I should start running.
Do you come here alone?
Sometimes, but often I come with my dog.
At the coffee shop.
Hi! What would you like to drink?
Hi! I would like a cup of coffee, please.
Do you want it hot or cold?
I want it hot. What about you?
I will have a hot tea.
Do you want sugar in your tea?
Yes, please. I like my tea sweet.
I like my coffee with milk.
That sounds nice.
Do you want anything to eat?
Yes, I will have a croissant.
I will have a sandwich.
Here's our order.
Thank you. Let's find a table.
This table is nice. Let's sit here.
Great. Let's enjoy our drinks and food. At the restaurant. Good evening. How many people?
2, please.
Right this way. Here's your table.
Thank you.
Can I get you something to drink?
Yes, I'll have water, please.
And for you?
I'll have iced tea.
Great. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'll have the chicken salad.
And for you?
I'll have the steak with vegetables.
How would you like your steak?
Medium, please.
Perfect. Your food will be ready soon.
Thank you.
Here is your order. Enjoy your meal.
Everything looks great, thank you.
You're welcome. Let me know if you need anything else.
At the airport.
Excuse me, where is the check-in counter for Flight 456?
It's right over there, next to the security gates.
Thank you. Do I need to show my ticket?
Yes, and your passport too.
Got it. How long does the check-in process take?
It's usually quick, about 10 minutes.
Great. After that, do I go straight to security?
Yes, and make sure to remove any liquids from your bag.
Thank you for the tip. Where is the boarding gate?
Your boarding pass will show the gate number.
Perfect. I'll check it after I'm done here. Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. Have a safe flight. At the beach. The beach looks amazing today.
It does. The water is so clear and blue.
Do you want to swim first or just relax?
Let's relax for a bit. I'll set up the umbrella.
Good idea. I'll lay out the towels.
Did you bring sunscreen?
Yes, here it is. We should put it on before going into the sun.
Agreed. It's so peaceful here. Do you hear the waves?
Yes, it's so calming. Maybe we can take a walk later.
Sounds great. Let's enjoy the day and take our time.
Definitely. The beach is perfect for unwinding. At the grocery store. Hello. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. How about you?
I'm fine. What are you buying today?
I need some apples and bread.
Oh. I need bread too. How many apples do you want?
I want 5 apples.
I think I will take 2.
Do you like red apples or green apples?
I like red apples. What about you?
I like green apples.
Do you need anything else?
Yes, I also need some milk and eggs.
I need milk too. But I don't need eggs.
Okay, I'll get eggs.
Are you done shopping?
Yes, I think I have everything.
Me too. Let's go to the checkout. At the zoo. Look at the animals.
Wow, they are so cool. What animals do you like?
I like the lions. They are big and strong.
I like the elephants. They are so big.
Look at the monkeys. They are jumping around.
Yes, they are funny.
Do you see the giraffes? They have long necks.
Yes, they are so tall.
What about the zebras? They have black and white stripes.
They look beautiful.
Let's go see the bears.
Okay. I love bears.
It's fun at the zoo.
Yes, I love it here. At the bus stop. Hi. Are you waiting for the bus?
Yes, I am. What about you?
Me too. What bus are you taking?
I'm taking the number 5 bus.
Oh, I'm taking the number 10 bus.
When does your bus come?
It comes in 5 minutes. How about yours?
My bus comes in 10 minutes.
Do you take the bus every day?
Yes, I do. I take the bus to work.
That's nice.
Yes, it's easy.
Here comes my bus. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Have a good day. In the library. Hello? Are you looking for a book?
Yes, I am. I want to read a story.
What kind of book do you like?
I like books about animals.
I like those too. Look, this book is about dogs.
Oh, I love dogs. I will take this one.
I'm looking for a book about birds.
Over there, by the window, there are books about birds.
Thank you. I found it.
You're welcome. How long do you want to read?
I will read for 30 minutes.
I will read for an hour.
Shoo. We need to be quiet in the library.
Yes, let's be quiet and enjoy our books.
At the playground. Look at the swings. Let's play. Yes, I love the swings. You go first. Okay, I'm swinging high. Wow, you are flying. Now it's my turn. I'm going to play on the slide. I will come too. Let's race to the top. I won. Now, let's play on the seesaw. Okay, I'll sit on one side. You sit on the other side. We're going up and down. This is fun. I want to play on the monkey bars now. Me too. Let's see who can hang longer. I can do it. Look at me. You're strong. This is a great day at the playground. Yes, it is. Let's play more.
In the kitchen. What are we cooking today?
I'm making pasta. Do you want to help?
Sure, I can chop the vegetables.
Great. I'll boil the water.
How much pasta should I use?
Just 1 cup. That's enough for 2 people.
Okay, I've cut the tomatoes. What should I do next?
Now, put them in the pan with some oil.
Got it. The water is boiling. Should I add the pasta now?
Yes, add the pasta and cook for 10 minutes.
The sauce smells good.
Yes, it's almost ready. Let's set the table.
I'll get the plates.
Thanks. Dinner is almost ready.